All right, guys, we got a sexy 2018 Toyota Tundra TRD. Ooh. Do you see it, Timmy? You see it, Jared? Did you enjoy working on it? I know you would. Factory converters, two there, so it comes to a total of 4. Then it becomes true dual from the factory into a single muffler. We cut that off and ran 2 CARVEN R's, part number right there. There will be a link in the description for it. Then we ran 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, and some black tips rolled out the back, 4-inch by 18s. There'll be a link in the description for them also, there and right there. There's the factory muffler that comes dual in, single out, with a factory tailpipe. All right there. We cut all that off and made it sexy right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Goku is watching. Be careful. I see you. Go ahead. Much better. Toyota Tundra. Sound decibels again. Right. 111. Oh yeah, much better. That sounds so good.